Hi, my name is Luke Urbanek, and today, me and my roommate Sam are going to be giving you a room tour of our apartment at Grove City College. I am currently a senior marketing management student here at Grove City, and for content marketing, we got to show you my apartment. So let's get right into it. This apartment is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and we got a full kitchen right to the left of me. So let's get right into it. Our kitchen is pretty standard. Of course, we have our 2 sinks with a garbage disposal as well as a dishwasher. Then next to that, we have our washer and dryer, and we have our refrigerator as well. As you'll see, there's plenty of cabinet spaces for storage of anything you want. And of course, we have our oven and our stove.
Hello guys, my name is Samuel Sherman. I'm a Marquis. I'm a junior here at GCC, and what I'll be doing for you today, I'll be giving you a tour of the living room. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, we have the living room right here. It's very spacey. We have a standard settee and we have 3 chairs for the 3 of us since it's a triple X. We also have a dining table, not quite decorated at the moment, but we do eat on it whenever we're eating in the living room. As you can see, we decorated it a bit. We added our, little cushion chairs, and we went for a carpet to sort of like have the living room be a bit more welcoming.
Alright, so now that you've seen the living room, I'm going to show you my bedroom and my bathroom, and I'm lucky enough to have my own bathroom this year. So let's go see it. Moving on to the bathroom. It has everything you need. There's a mirror, sink, toilet, shower. It's great to have your own bathroom. That's one of my favorite parts of living in the apartments. And yeah, I'm not going to say too much because the bathroom is pretty self-explanatory. Moving on to my room. It has the basic IKEA furniture, and of course I put up some wall decorations of my favorite movies and favorite athletes. So yeah, you can look around. There's of course my desk and everything that I use on a daily basis, and my closet, which has 2 mirrors and plenty of space for storage of clothes.
Now we'll be going into the bathroom and the bedroom. So let's go. As you can see, it's very spacey. It's much wider than the other bathrooms in the apartment. In fact, it's the biggest one in the apartment. As you can see, it's very roomy and it's very accommodating as well for those who probably might not be in full function in their body. It's very spacey and it's very accommodating. Now that we're done with that, let's move on to the living quarters. To my left is my roommate's room B, but he's not here right now, so it's a mystery for this one. Let's go on to my room. Let's go. It's pretty spacey, just like the bathroom as well, because it's very accommodating for those who might be in a wheelchair or whatever. So as you can see here, you'll definitely see that I have my books on my table, my laptop out whenever I'm studying, and I have my humidifier to, like keep the air in the room at a very good temperature or whatever. And then I have the mirror that's directly adjacent to the door.
The best part of living in the apartments is having your own washer and dryer. It's very convenient and way better than having to walk up 4 flights of steps every time you have to do laundry.
We also enjoy living in the apartments because of the privacy it entails, with each of us living in our own rooms. Both of my suite mates enjoy cooking, so having an entire kitchen dedicated to us really helps in exploring our own cuisine skills. This beats the ulterior of having to go to an entirely different building on upper campus to cook, not to mention carrying your own utensils and pottery every time. The last benefit is having more than one bathroom, which is limited to the number of suite mates you're living with. rather than having to share it with an entire floor.
We genuinely enjoy living in the apartments and highly recommend living in them. Hopefully this video gives you more of a perspective of what it's like to live in the apartments at Grove City College. Thank you guys for watching. For more information about campus life at GCC, check out blogs.gcc.edu.